Hello friends, now we will see what are tables. Table is a logical structure for storing data. Table is a set of rows and columns that are logically related. A table can be defined independent of the database in ABAP dictionary. All the tables, all the reports, all the programs are stored in a package. In simple words, package is grouping. Grouping of all the tables, all the records, all the data, all the programs, all the reports in a proper manner. Now in this video we will see how to create a table, how to update or change a table, how to delete a table. Now we will see types of table fields. A table consists of many fields and each field contains many elements. A table consists of many fields and each field contains many elements. Now what is a field? Now you can see fields. So in a table it contains many fields and in fields it consists of many elements. Now we will see types of table fields. So first is field name. This is the name given to the field that can contain a maximum of 16 characters. Field name. A field name may be composed of digit and letter. It is composed of digit and letter and it must begin with letters. See, this is field name. Now in fields it have field key, initial value. In fields it have field key, initial value, data element, data type, length, decimal places, short description. So now we'll see key flag. It specifies the field belong to the table key or not. Now in this you can see click. It has to create a primary key or a unique key. Now we will see initial value. What is initial value? If the value of a field in a data record is undefined or unknown, it is called as null value. Null value occurs when new fields are inserted in the existing table or with insert on database view. Now we will see data element. Data element is defined as the type of table field, structure component or row type of a table type. A data element can be referenced in a ABAP program with type. Now we will see data type. As the name suggests, in the previous video we have seen data element and data type also. If you have not seen the video, I suggest you please see the video. Now we will see data type. As the name suggests, type of data like character, integer, etc. Now we'll see length. Field type. It specifies the field data type in ABAP dictionary. Now field length. It specifies the number of valid character in the field. Now we'll see decimal places. It defines the number of digits permissible after the decimal point. The element is used only for numeric data type. Decimal places is only used in numeric data type. Now short description. What is short description? Describe the meaning of field. Short description in simple word, it describes the meaning of field. Now in table it consists of three types: transparent table, pooled table and cluster table. Now we'll see difference between table and structure. Table will store data physically and permanently. But in structure it cannot store data physically. It can hold data at runtime. Table have primary key. But in structure it doesn't have any primary key. A table have technical settings such as data class, size, category, etc. But in structure it doesn't have any technical attribute and maintenance attribute. Table have primary and secondary index, but structure does not have primary and secondary index. What is primary key? What is secondary key? What is index? We will see all of this later on. Now we'll create a simple table. So name, I have given key, initial value, decimal, m name. Just click C. Character length is 10. No decimal because it is character, it is not number. Macro. As you can see in field name, I have written name. In key, both the radio buttons I have clicked. In data element, I have written m name. I have clicked on enter. Now as you can see, data type is character, length 10, decimal places 0, short description, macro name. Now we'll create a simple table. So to create a table, go on SC11. Now we'll create a table, we'll create a student table. So student, and everything start with Z. So database table, Z student table, create. This already exists. So table, student table 1, create. This student table. So student table. Now delivery and maintenance. So delivery classes, we have to just click on this button. No. Now application table, master and transaction data. Yes. Data maintenance. Now fields. So first will be student number. Student roll number. Yes, roll number. Now Z student roll number. Z student roll number is not active. So just we'll double click. Save before yes. Z. Create data element, yes. Now short description. So student roll number. Now domain, we have to create a domain. So Z stud we'll give fields. So first we'll give fields 10, 15 and 20. So student stud roll number, student roll stud roll number, student roll number. Now we have created field label. Now domain, data type 10, no, not activated, no active domain. So if we will activate it, create the domain, yes. No. Student roll number, data type, it will be int 4 byte integer, yes. 10 characters 0. Now value save, yes, check active, yes, back. We have created our domain. Now we have created data type. We have now we have created our domain. We have created data element and field label also. We'll just save it. We'll just save it. Yes, check it, done, activate it, and it is activated. Now we'll, as you can see, we have created our new data element. Now student name, short description. Now it is perfect. It will take some time. Yes, now done. We'll activate it again. Now it is in. We'll just click on back. As you can see, student roll number. Now it is perfect. Now student name. Student name. So for student name, Z student name. No, it is also not created. So we'll create a student name also. It is already done. So just we will click on back. Now we have created two fields, student roll number and student name. Now we'll save it, check it, enhancement category for table missing. So just extra, now extra enhancement category can be deep. Now we have created our two fields. Just save it again, check it, activate data classes. Zero, save it. Now our table is active. Now we'll just utilities, table content, create entry. Now student, 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 roll number 25. Save it, activate it. Now back, middle name, just fill it, name, 15, 20, 25. What will be student? Save it, check, activate, selected. Now we can ignore, back, extra, copy, yes. Now extra, it is activated. We will just again activate it, done. Now utilities, now click on utilities, table content, create entry, name and roll number. So student roll number is 1, name, save, back. Now again, utilities, table contents, create entries, to save it, and utilities, table contents and display. Student roll number 1, 2, name of student Abhishek Sarvesh.